So during a home inspection, I take a look at the chimney. And here it is from the top. I'm inspecting a multi-dwelling, 4 apartment units stuck together. This one here is my client's chimney. And there's a slight problem. There shouldn't be any water puddling up on top of the chimney cap. It's metal and we don't want it to rust out. And it's designed to shed water, not collect it. The exterior is cracking and it's been sealed up with simple silicone. And silicone is just temporary. This is stucco material, cement, and it sometimes cracks. And these cracks get open and allow water to penetrate behind the stucco where we can't see. And that water and metal don't mix. So we don't want any rust or corrosion or damage on the inside. So I'm taking a look at the flue the best I can, and I'm looking for creosote. Creosote is a fire hazard. The chimney crown is metal. It seems to be in good shape. No loose pieces. And then the flashing around the chimney. This is the chimney stack, stucco. This is the asphalt shingles. This is a cricket flashing, and this is metal flashing. Metal flashing, counter flashing, covering the step flashing. All around the corners, there's this silicone. And silicone is not permanent. It's temporary. And we don't want any step flashing that's loose. And here's a close-up picture of that stucco. It's cracked into pieces, it's loose, and it's been sealed up with simple silicone. That's not good. On the inside, the chimney stack is here, and I'll take a look for roof leaks. In the living room, the fireplace is here. I'll open and close the damper door and look up the flue pipe, looking for rust and corrosion. There's the damper handle and the firebox walls. The inside of the fireplace seems to be in good shape. I don't see any major damage, like a crack that's opened up. Hairline cracks could be okay, but large open cracks are not. I don't see any major material damage here. Looks good. So's this. So before you start a fire in your fireplace, get it inspected and have any defects that your home inspector points out fixed by a chimney sweep or a qualified contractor. But get it inspected first by a home inspector so that you're educated and empowered, knowing what exactly needs to be fixed.